speak Tagalog. We're here in the Philippines. Let's try your Tagalog language. Congratulations to our Team JSW Hoopers with 85 points. And let's congratulate to Mr. William Tom for being the best player for our second game. Sir William Tom, congratulations. Kamusta naman ang pag-stay mo dito sa Philippines?
I don't know.
You don't know? You need to speak Tagalog because we're here in the Philippines.
Thanks to my teammates.
Okay, how do you feel being the best player for our second game and being a winner from the JSW Hoopers?
I'm so proud of my teammates.
That's all? Okay, that's all. Congratulations, Mr. William Tom from the Team JSW Hoopers. Thank you to our Team Anonymous for participating in our second game for today. And congratulations again for the Team JSW Hoopers for winning our second game. Back to you,
MSD Productions.